Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create text, post or story on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone. And for your information, this is a new feature on TikTok. So if you haven't gotten this feature, I recommend you to update your TikTok. Okay, I'm going to click on this plus icon to start creating post or story. Okay, and I'm going to click on the text here. All right, and then here you can create image of your text. You can share your thoughts or questions to spark the discussion. Okay, and then for example, I'm going to type in how have you been. Okay, and I'm going to click on next. Alright, and TikTok will automatically create an image with the tags I have just added. Okay, and then you can choose the style. Okay, I'm going to find style for my text. Okay, and there are a lot of styles here guys. You just need to choose the style that you like. And for me, I'm just going to choose this one. Alright, and then you can change the music here. Okay, for the music, I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and once you're done choosing the music, you can click on next, or if you want to share it to your story, you just need to click on your story right here. And for me, I'm going to post it on my TikTok. Okay, and we can add description for our post. We can also add hashtag or mention and add location, and then manage the privacy setting. Okay, and once we're done, we can click on post, and then this tags will be posted to our TikTok. Okay, and I'm just going to click on post. Okay, and I'm going to go to my TikTok homepage to play it. Okay, this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create text, post or tag story on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.